this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Christmas Fabric Friday. So happy Christmas to everybody out there. I'm just showing today my Christmas makes and start off with Lurch's two granddaughters. I've made them pyjamas, which I do every year, but lovely pink hearts on them, and inside there is, let's pull this off, there is a pair of leggings for each of them. Now hopefully these will fit. Everything I've made hopefully will fit, I'm guessing. I have also made for the girls two jumpers, and you saw these the other week when I was doing the patch pockets, but two jumpers, and underneath is a pair of leggings as well. These are, I love this pattern. I've made this several times in the original form, which is just hip length jacket, but I made it, well, it was what I used to make my winter coat, but I just adjusted it slightly. This is for Lurch's mother. As you can see, I'm not trying to turn around anything because it isn't my size, so it will look funny, and there's still loads of threads hanging, but I've only just finished these two jackets now, and Lurch is delivering them tomorrow. That's why I'm doing this tonight. But these jackets are very simple, very easy. I alter the pattern as normal and put the side pockets in, which I'm going to show you about inserting side pockets in next week's episode, and I'm using this as the example. And this one, exactly the same pattern again, but this time I've made it just above knee length. You can have it so the lapels show, or you can undo that one button and bring it across and fasten it again so it can go up higher to keep you warmer if there's a cold wind blowing. And that again is not my size. That's for, if it fits, hopefully it will, Lurch's daughter, if not possibly my daughter. It's not far off my size though, but these are what I've been trying to finish quickly, because as I say, Lurch is delivering them tomorrow, so there it is, back to lapels. I mean, on his mother's, let's put that back, on his mother's, she's got the same opportunity too. She can have it so lapels show, or there's a button on there and she can fasten the button if it goes a bit chilly and she's out. But that pattern, I think, is fairly easy to do and really easy to alter. But only a quick one. Happy Christmas.